Pressure washing at this beautiful house, starting with the path. There is so much surface moss, I'm scraping this off first. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Look at all that. Then it's time to start pressure washing. I'm using a Turbo Lance at 3000 psi. Watch how well it cleans up these stones. Then a good rinse off. The following day it's dry and ready to resand. Using a soft broom I am sweeping the sand between all the joints. Finally using the blower to remove excess sand and it's finished.
That was long ago, when we wanted, running at the wall. Every breath we take together survive.
This BMW has been sitting since 1965 untouched.
Not your typical job, Ricky. That's Ricky Banjo from Bournemouth Jet Washing. And he's been called out to a country house to clean a tennis court. Yeah, that's right, the color's all wrong. But not for long. Ricky gives it the pre-treatment, goes around and pressure washes the concrete around the outside before the surface cleaner comes out, and look at the difference it makes. An incredibly powerful head, 2 jets spinning around just an inch from the surface of the tennis court, ripping up all that old grime, dirt, and who knows what else was built up on the surface over the seasons. But suddenly, it looks a lot greener on that court. Meticulously going over one pass at a time, making sure not to miss an inch of the court. It's an incredible machine. And so's Ricky. Now, rinsing down, corralling, and driving off that dirty water dredged up or ripped away from the surface by the surface cleaner. Now to the second half. And look at the difference. You can see that pre-treatment immediately starting to eat through some of that dirt, and it's even being given a second round on the one side. That a sign of just how dirty this tennis court is, but it's massive. A pretty straightforward job, actually. But there's just so much to do. On to the second side. And making pretty quick work of it. Again, the transformation from that brown to a considerably brighter green. And after the second round, it should really be bright. Those white lines, white again. That'll help the official. And now driving off that first round from the second side. Finally getting a good look at the full court after one round of treatment and cleaning. And the results speak for themselves. Moving like a wave, driving every last bit of that grime away before the second round of treatment. Then, out comes the surface cleaner once again, the star of the show. Absolutely ripping up that grime. You can see the before, all that build up, and the after. Who's up for a match?
She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true.